This is our routine. Every doggone time. Mox! Mox! Come on, Mox! Moxy! Moxy, Moxy, Moxy. Moxy! Now I know I didn't release another bird over there, but I'm not going to tell her she's wrong. She can smell better than I can. Look at that tail. Duh, Moxy, straighten that tail. She will hold that point forever. And I haven't done any training with her. I need to teach her that footsteps are bad, though. Fucking hate that tail. That, and she likes paths. She doesn't like to hit the cover. She likes to run right around the edge of trees. She doesn't like to hit fields. She doesn't like to hit brush. Anything like that. Those are the two things I want to breed out of her more than anything. When I take her to a stud. So if anybody knows of studs who are notorious for throwing intelligence is high up on my list. With a straight, poker straight tail, and are not addicted to paths or clear cuts, parking lots basically, let me know. Moxy's yesterday was 9 months old. She checks in right now at about 50 pounds. No, 40 pounds, I'm sorry. I better go up there and work this bird with her. You know, I really do. I really do think she has a bird. I really, really do. I don't know how, unless the other bird called this one over there or something. Uh-oh. Moxy. Gotta be a bird in here. Mox! Oh well, if she don't find it, I don't want to lead her right to it. Come on, Mox. Get in front of me. Alright. One more time. Moxy! Come on, Mox. Took her out today and ran her in big wide open area. This is a couple acres. I brought her out to a 800 and some acre area today, and boy, she really lit up, man. I was worried working her in the small areas so much I was gonna teach her to work close, but boy, she really got out there. I mean, for her, she probably got out 400 yards. Oh well, I'm gonna try to circle back around and work on this bird here, so I better get going. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.